Good morning. Today I'm going to go through a few more examples for taking and simplifying expressions or combining like terms. So we're going to start with this problem. We have 2x plus 3x squared plus 4 plus x squared plus 2x minus x. So the first thing we do is identify my like terms. Okay, so I'm going to start here. I've got 2x, oh goodness, 2x, I've got another 2x, and I have another x. Okay, that one's a negative x, so I'm going to clear those up. Okay, then I'm going to identify, I've got 3x squared and x squared. Okay, and then I have the 4 with other terms, so I'm finished matching them up. Now, one thing you guys have to remember when we are working with combining like terms, terms are only like if they have both the same variable and the same exponent. So even though these and these have the same variable, this one has an exponent of 2 and these do not. Okay, so we cannot pair those up together. So I'm going to take and combine together my 2x plus negative 1x. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus negative 1 gives me 3x. Okay, then I have my 3x squared plus another x squared, so I have 4x squared. Okay, I'm not doing anything with my exponents, they just stay the same. And plus 4. So we're done with this problem. I cannot combine any further. Here's our next example. I've got 4x squared plus 3x plus 2x squared plus x plus 16. So I'm going to figure out which ones are alike. So I've got 4x squared plus 2x squared. Okay, then I have 3x and another x. And then I have plus 16 and nothing else to match up with it. Then I just add, I've got 4x squared plus 2x squared gives me 6x squared. I've got 3x plus x, which is 4x. And then I have just 16. So 6x squared plus 4x plus 16. Okay? Moving on to the next example, I've got 7. I always just start with my first term, so 7 plus 10. Okay, then I have 3x squared and another 2x squared over here. Okay, and then I have plus 4x. Okay, then I just add together 7 plus 10 is 17. Then I have 3x squared plus 2x squared, which is 5x squared. And then I have 4x. And this is my final answer. If you guys have any questions on any of these, please feel free to email me. I'll see you later. Have a great day.